Guys, hope you guys are doing well. In this tutorial, we will learn about Python return statement, Python with the help of examples. A return statement is used to end the execution of the function call and returns the result, value of the expression following the return keyword to the caller. The statements after the return statements are not executed. If the return statement is without any expression, then the special value none is returned. Note, return statement cannot used outside the function. So you can see the syntax on the screen. So let's check this out in our example so that you can understand easily. Let's go back to our Jupyter notebook and try to do the code part for this function. Return statement. This is right here. We'll write a definition q num return num num into num. Without return, value won't be printed. This is q, right? And next print q into 3. See the result what we have. 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 3 is 27. We have this result. Let's try with another example. Def cube num return num into num into num. This is same. Without return, value won't be printed. Result is equal to q into 4 print result. Control enter. So we have 4 for the 8, 8 for the right. This is the way how it's gonna work. Hope this might help you to understand what return statement is. Right. Thank you guys. This is the end of this written statement.